Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Amit Karadia. I am a nursing tutor in नेक्स्ट नर्सिंग कॉलेज इंदौर. सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर एंड अदर रेस्पिरेटरी एजेंट्स. देखते हैं ड्रग्स अफेक्टिंग द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. कौन कौन से ड्रग अफेक्ट करते हैं रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को. तो ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर एंटी कोलिजनरिक एंटी ल्यूकोट्रेनिक एजेंट, कोर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड, मस्ट कॉल स्टेबलाइजर. तो ये जो ड्रग्स हैं ये रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को अफेक्ट करते हैं. ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर प्लांट एल्कलॉइड, कैफीन, थियोब्रोमाइन and theophylline. Only theophylline is used as bronchodilator. Example is aminophylline, diphylline, oxytryphyllene, theophylline, bronchodiol. नेक्स्ट है अपना ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर. ये मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है. इंक्रीज लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोड्यूसिंग. दिस इज डन कंपनटेटिवली इनहिबिटिंग फॉस्फोडीस्ट्रेस द एंजाइम दैट ब्रेक डाउन CAMP. Result: decrease CAMP levels, smooth muscles relaxation, bronchodilation and increase airflow. नेक्स्ट है अपना ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर. अब हम देखेंगे ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर ड्रग इफेक्ट्स. तो इसमें आएगा कॉज ब्रोंकोडाइलेशन बाय रिलैक्सिंग स्मूथ मसल्स ऑफ द एयरवे. रिजल्ट: रिलीफ ऑफ ब्रोंकोस्पाज्म and greater airflow into and out of the lungs. Also cause CNS stimulation. Also cause cardiovascular stimulation, increased force of contraction and increased heart rate, resulting in increased cardiac output and increased blood flow. To the kidney diuretic effects. Bronchodilator therapeutic uses: dilation of airway in asthma, chronic bronchitis and emphysema, mild to moderate cause of asthma, adjunct agent in the management of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, adjunct therapy for the relief of pulmonary edema and paroxysmal nocturnal edema in left side heart failure. नेक्स्ट है अपना साइड इफेक्ट: नोजिया, वोमिटिंग, एनोरेक्सिया. ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर ड्रग देने से ऐसा नोजिया साइड इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं. नोजिया आएगा, उसके अंदर वोमिटिंग हो सकता है, एनोरेक्सिया होगा, गैस्ट्रोइसोफेगल रिफ्लेक्स ड्यूरिंग स्लीप. सोते टाइम गैस्ट्रोइसोफेगल रिफ्लेक्स आएंगे, साइनस ट्रेकिकार्डिया, एक्स्ट्रा सिस्टोल, पाल्पिटेशन, वेंट्रिकुलर डिस्पनिया, ट्रांसेंट इंक्रीज्ड यूरिनेशन. ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर बीटा एगोनिस्ट. लार्ज ग्रुप symptomatic use during acute phase of asthmatic attack. Quickly reduce airway constriction and restore normal airflow. stimulate beta 2 adrenergic resupport throughout the lungs. नेक्स्ट है अपना ब्रोंकोडायलेटर बीटा एगोनिस्ट थ्री टाइप्स, इसके थ्री टाइप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट है अपना नॉन सिलेक्टिव एड्रीजेनिक, इसके अंदर आता है स्टिमुलेट अल्फा बीटा कार्डियक एंड बीटा रेस्पिरेटरी रिसेप्टर्स. एग्जाम्पल हो गया इफिनोफेरिन. नॉन सिलेक्टिव बीटा एड्रीजेनिक stimulate both beta and beta 2 receptor. Example isoproterenol isuper. थर्ड वन है अपना सिलेक्टिव बीटा 2 ड्रग्स स्टिमुलेट ओनली बीटा 2 रिसेप्टर्स. एग्जाम्पल है एल्बुटरॉल. नेक्स्ट है अपना ब्रोंकोडायलेटर बीटा एगोनिस्ट. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन क्या होते हैं इसका? Being said the specific receptor stimulated ends with the dilation of the airway. Activation of beta 2 receptor activate CMP which relaxes smooth muscles of the airway and result in bronchial dilation and increased airflow. Bronchodilator beta agonist therapeutic uses: relief of bronchospasm, bronchial asthma, bronchiolitis and other pulmonary disease. Useful in treatment of acute attack as well as prevention. Used in hypotension and shock. Next है अपना used to produce uterine relaxation to prevent premature labor. Hyperkalemia stimulates potassium to shift into the cell. नेक्स्ट है अपना ब्रोंकोडायलेटर बीटा एगोनिस्ट साइड इफेक्ट. अल्फा बीटा 1 एंड बीटा 2 देन बीटा 2. एपिनेफ्रिन, आइसोप्रोट्रेनोल, अल्बुटरॉल. इंसोमिनिया, कार्डियक स्टिमुलेशन, हाइपरटेंशन, रेस्टलेसनेस, ट्रमर, वस्कुलर हेडेक, एनोरेक्सिया, एंजाइनल पेन, ट्यूमर, कार्डियक स्टिमुलेशन, वस्कुलर हेडेक, ट्रमर, वस्कुलर हेडेक. नेक्स्ट है अपना रेस्पिरेटरी एजेंट जनरल नर्सिंग implications. Encourage patients to take measures that promote a generally good state of health in order to prevent, relieve or decrease symptoms of COPD. Avoid exposure to conditions that precipitate bronchospasm, allergens, smoking, stress, air pollution, etc. Adequate fluid intake. Compliance with medical treatment. Avoid excessive fatigue, heat, extremes in temperature, coughing. नेक्स्ट है अपना रेस्पिरेटरी एजेंट जनरल नर्सिंग इम्प्लीकेशन. Encourage patient to get promote treatment for flu or other illness and to get vaccinated against pneumonia or flu. Encourage patients to always check with their physician before taking any other medication including OTC. Respiratory agent general nursing implication. Perform a thorough assessment before beginning therapy including skin color, baseline vital signs, respiration, respiratory assessment including PO2, sputum production, allergic history of respiratory problems, other medication. Respiratory agent general nursing implementation. Teach patient to take bronchodilator exactly as prescribed. Ensure the patient know how to use inhaler, MDIS, and have the patient demonstrate use of device. Monitor for side effects. Respiratory agents, nursing implement implications. Monitor for therapeutic effects, decrease dyspnea, decrease wheezing, restlessness, and anxiety, improve respiratory pattern with return to normal rate and quality, improve activity tolerance, decrease symptoms, and increase ease of breathing. Next step now, bronchodilator nursing implication examine derivative. Contraindication, history of PUD or GI disorder. Cautious use, cardiac disease. Timed release preparation should not be crushed or chewed. Cause gastric irritation. Next step now, bronchodilator nursing implication examine derivatives. Report to physician, palpitation, nausea, vomiting, weakness, dizziness, chest pain, convulsion. Next step now, bronchodilator nursing implication. Be aware of during interaction with simultaneous oral contraceptives, allopurinol, large amount of coughing can have deleterious effect. Bronchodilator nursing implication, beta agonist derivatives. Albuterol, if used too frequently, loses its beta 2 specific action at large dose. As a result, beta first receptors are stimulated, causing nausea, increased anxiety, palpitation, tremor, and increased heart rate. नेक्स्ट स्टेप ना, ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर नर्सिंग एप्लीकेशन बीटा अगोनिस्ट डेरिवेटिव्स. इसमें हम देखेंगे पेशेंट शुड टेक मेडिकेशन एग्जैक्टली एज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड विद नो ओमिशंस और डबल डोज. पेशेंट शुड रिपोर्ट इंसोमिनिया, जिटरनेस, रेस्टलेसनेस, palpitation, chest pain, or any change in symptoms. Anticholinergic mechanism of action. Acetylcholine cause bronchial constriction and narrowing of the airway. Anticholinergic bind to the anticholinergic receptors, preventing from binding. Result, bronchoconstriction is prevent airway dilate. Anticholinergic impratropium bromide attenuant is the only anticholinergic used for respiratory disease. Slow and prolonged action used to prevent bronchoconstriction, not used for acute asthma extubation. Next step now, anticholinergic side effects. Dry mouth or throat, gastrointestinal distress, headache, coughing, anxiety, no known drug interaction. Antileukotrienes, also called as leukotriene receptor antagonist, new class of asthma medication. 3 subcategories of agent. Next, antileukotrienes currently available agent: Montelukast, Singular, Lucas, Ecolate, Giluton, Zeflon. Next up now, anti-leukotrienes mechanism of action. Leukotrienes are substances released when a trizer such as cat hair or dust start a series of chemical reaction in the body. Leukotrienes cause inflammation, bronchoconstriction, and mucus production. Result coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath. Mechanism of action. Anti-leukotrienes agent prevent leukotrienes from attaching to receptor on cell in the lungs and in circulation. Inflammation in the lungs is blocked and asthma symptoms are relieved. Drugs effect. By blocking leukotrienes, prevent smooth muscles contraction of the bronchial airway, decrease muscles secretion, prevent vascular permeability, decrease neutrophil and leukocyte infiltration to the lungs, preventing inflammation. Next step now, therapeutic uses. Prophylaxis and chronic treatment of asthma in adult and children over age 12. Not meant for management of acute asthmatic attack. Montelukast is approved for use in children age 2 and older. Side effects: Gelatin, Jeffrey Lucas. Headache, सेम इसमें भी हेडेक होगा. डिसेप्निया, नोजिया, डायरिया, डिजीनेस, लिवर डिसफंक्शन, इंसोमिनिया, लिवर डिसफंक्शन. That is the side effect. Nursing implications. Ensure that the drug is being used for chronic management of asthma, not acute asthma. Teach the patient the purpose of the therapy. Improvement should be seen about 1 week. Check with physician before taking any OTC or prescribed medication. Many drugs interaction assist liver function before beginning therapy. Medication should be taken every night on a continuous schedule, even if symptoms improve. Next up now, corticosteroid. Anti-inflammatory drug used for chronic asthma do not relieve symptoms of acute asthma attack. Orally inhaled form reduce systematic effect. May take several weeks before full effect are seen. Corticosteroids mechanism of action: stabilize membranes of cells that release harmful bronchoconstricting substance. These cells are leukocytes or white blood cells. Also increase responsiveness of bronchial smooth muscles to beta adrenergic stimulation. Inhaled corticosteroid: beclomethasone, dipropionate, biclovent, Vancomycin, trimethoprim, acetonide, Asmacort, dexamethasone, sodium phosphate, dicron phosphate receiver, flunisolid aerobic. Inhaled corticosteroid therapeutic use. Treatment of bronchospastic disorder that are not controlled by conventional bronchodilator, not considered first line agents for management of acute asthmatic attack of status asthmatic. Inhale corticosteroid side effect: pharyngeal irritation, coughing, dry mouth, oral fungal infection. Systematic effects are rare because of the low dose used for inhaled therapy. Nursing implications: inhaled corticosteroids contraindicated in patient with physician fungal infection, AIDS, tuberculosis. Cushions used in patient with diabetes, glaucoma, osteoporosis, renal disease, edema. Teach patients to gargle and rinse the mouth with water afterward to prevent the development of oral fungal infection. Appropriately continuing this medication can lead to serious problems. If discontinuity should be went for a period of 1 to 2 weeks and only if recommended by physician. Report weight gain of more than 5 pounds a week or the occurrence of chest pain. Must cell stabilizer: cromolyn, nadochromine. Must cell stabilizer: indirect acting agent that prevent the release of the various substances that cause bronchospasm, stabilize the cell membranes of inflammatory cells. Must cell monocytes macrophages, thus preventing release of harmful cellular contents. No direct bronchodilator activities used prophylactically. Must cell stabilizer therapeutic uses: adjustment to the oral management of COPD, used solely of prophylaxis, not for acute asthma attack. Used to prevent exercise include bronchospasm. Used to prevent bronchospasm associated with exposure to no precipitating factor such as cold dry air of allergic. नेक्स्ट अपना मस्ट सेल स्टेबलाइजर साइड इफेक्ट: कफिंग होगा, टेस्ट चेंज, सोर थ्रोट, डिजीनेस, रेनाइटिस, हेडेक, ब्रोंकोस्पाज्म. Nursing implications: for prophylactic use only, contraindicated for acute exacerbation, not recommended for children under age 5. Therapeutic effect may not be seen for up to 4 weeks. Teach patients to gargle and rinse the mouth with water afterward to minimize irritation to the throat and oral mucosa. Learning objectives: the appreciate basic pathogenesis of and therapeutic strength for the management of asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. To understand the mechanism of action of the three major classes of bronchodilators, to appreciate pros- prospects for new therapies for asthma and COPD. Asthma and COPD are common disorder affecting the 10 to 30 millions American respectively, and so severe similarities in their clinical features. The goal of this lecture and the lecture on anti-inflammatory agents will be to highlight the fundamental pharmacological basis to manage the pathological changes associated with this disease and to restore normal functionality. Asthma. The clinical hallmark of asthma are recurrent episodic bouts of coughing, shortness of breath, chest tightness, and wheezing. In mild asthma, symptoms occur only occasionally, but in more severe forms of asthma, frequent attack of wheezing, dyspnea occur specifically at night and chronic activity limitation is common. Pathological features of asthma. Asthma is characterized physiologically by increased responsiveness of the trachea and bronchi to various stimuli and by widespread narrowing of the airways. Chronic pathological features: construction of airway, smooth muscles leading to reversible airflow obstruction, mucosal thickness from edema and cellular infiltration with airway inflammation and precedent airway hyperactivity, airway remodeling. Anatomy of asthma. Smooth muscles, cartilage, terminal bronchi, alveoli. Impact of inflammation on small airways. That is a normal. Second one is acute fetal asthma. Third one is a chronic severe asthma. नेक्स्ट है अपना मेकेनिज्म ऑफ एयरवे इन्फ्लामेशन एंड अस्थमा. एलर्जिक एक्सपोजर initiators of complex self amplify process among cell cytokinase and neurogenic components, resulting in chronic symptomatic inflammation with bronchial hyperresponsiveness must cell in the bronchial lumen and epithelium and within the bronchial wall become activated, releasing a mediator acute phase of reaction. Cellular mediator and cytokinase in COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Cell, macrophages, neutrophils, proteinase mediator affects muscles, mucus, hypersecretion, fibrosis, alveolar wall destruction. Current and future asthma treatment. chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. COPD is characterized by airflow limitation caused by chronic bronchitis of emphysema, often associated with long-term tobacco smoking. This is usually a slowly progressive and largely irreversible process, which consists of increased expiratory flow rate and overinflammation of the lungs. COPD is clinically defined by a low value that fails to respond actually bronchodilators, a characteristic that differential it from asthma. The degree of bronchodilatory response at the time of testing, however, does not predict the degree of clinical benefits to the patients, and thus bronchodilators are given irrespective of the acute response obtained in the pulmonary functions laboratory. Pathology of small airways less than 2 mm in diameters. Control severe COPD. Systemic representation of the disposition of inhaled drug, mouth, lungs, GI tract, liver. First phase metabolism, inactiveness, pulmonary absorption, aerosol and spares technology. Aerosol delivery of drug. The size of the particle is the critical delivery. Determine particle less than 10 are deposited primarily in the mouth and oropharynx. Particle less than 0.5 are inhaled to the alveoli and exhaled without being deposited in the lungs. The most effective particles have a diameters of 1 to 5. Other important factors for deposition are rate of breathing and breathing holding after inhale. Next अपना role of beta agonist in asthma and COPD. Bronchodilation. B2 agonist. Plasma exudation, cholinergic neurotransmission, mucociliary clearness, neutrophil function, bacterial adherence. Classification of bronchodilator. B agonist albuterol, levobuterol, metoprolol, terbutaline, isoproterenol and epinephrine. PD inhibitors theophylline, anticholinergic, impratropium and tiotropium. Single transduction pathway for bronchodilator. Classification of B agonist. Generic name, duration of action, B2 selectivities. B2 agonist were developed throughout the substituents in the catecholamine structure of norepinephrine. Chemicals. Classification of B agonist. Pulmonary and cardiac effect of B adrenergic receptors agonist. Pharmacological approaches to asthma control. Theophylline. The methyl hexadine theophylline share a similar structure to the dietary caffeine. Many salts of theophylline have been marked, the most common being aminophylline, which is the ethylene salt. Theophylline has been in clinical use since the 1930s. It is a weak, non-selective inhibitor of phosphodiesterase. There are at least 10 PD family members, all of which catabolize cycles nucleate in the cell. PD inhibition result in a increased in CAMP and CGMP. Another hypothesized mechanism of action is adenosine receptors inhibitors, which may prevent the release of mediator from mast. Theophylline. Pharmacological of theophylline. Absorption oral. The dose of theophylline required to yield therapeutic concentration varies among subjects, largely because of difference in clearness. मेटाबॉलिज्म हो गया, एलिमिनेशन. मेटाबॉलिज्म में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ phenobarbital or phenytoin increase the activity of cytochrome P450, which result in increased metabolic breakdown. Elimination. Increased clearness is seen in children and in cigarette and marijuana smoker. Reduced clearness is also. Pharmacological approach to asthma control. Anticholinergic drugs. Human airway are innervated by supply of efferent cholinergic parasympathetic autonomic nervous. Anticholinergic drug contains anticholinergic drug continue. Anticholinergic drugs approved in US February 2004. Future pharmacological agent of asthma and COPD. Vasoactive initial arterial nutrient peptides inhibitors. Future pharmacological agent for asthma and COPD. Pharmacological current data suggests that the 16th amino acid position of the B2 adrenergic receptor is associated with a major clinically significant pharmacogenic effect, normally down regulation of the receptors and responsiveness of patient. Using B agonist investigation of the effect of the and other hypotheses on the response to long-acting B agonist are currently being conducted. Conclusion. Aerosol delivery of drug is effective for asthma. Some key drug classes for acute treatment. B agonist. Thank you.